Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about Google Chrome problem. This is the very common issue sometimes when you want to log in with your Gmail and you want to sync on your Gmail account, but after that, when you want to just cut the browser and you want to reopen this browser, that's time it's automatically logged out. So this is very common issue and this is very big problem, but this is very big problem for everybody who are suffering these kinds of issues. So I want to fix within a minute, so let's get started. Okay, thank you so much. So first of all, what we want to do, first of all we want to go the Google, and if you want to create new one, so we want to add just and sign in with your email. After that when you will close your browser and you want to reopen, that time you are facing paused option, so and logout option. So automatically your Gmail just sync off and log out. So this is the a very big problem for us. So how can I fix it? First of all, we will go here, then we want to log in. If log out, so log in, then we want to click here and click the setting option. Okay, so after that we want to click the privacy and security. After that, click the search just here with the site dot, sorry for this, and you will see the clear browsing data option, and you just select all time and just clear data. First of all, you should do this and hope that it will be fixed. If not, please do it again with advance all time, then clear data. After that, I am sure that you will get the result and definitely it will be fixed. So if you have any question and if need any more help, and if you have any suggestion, please feel free to comment below, and I'm trying to make some awesome videos for you guys. So please support and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.